In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Capital.com trailing stop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a trailing stop to a new position so it can automatically follow favorable price moves and help protect your downside without you constantly watching the screen. Start by opening a trade. Log into your Capital.com account, then choose the market you want to trade. This could be a stock, a forex pair, a commodity, an index, or a cryptocurrency. Once you've found the asset, click either Buy if you expect the price to rise or Sell if you expect it to fall. That click opens the trade ticket. Think of the ticket as your control panel for this order. Nothing is finalized until you confirm it, so you can safely review your risk settings first. Next, enable your stop loss in the order window. You'll see the stop loss control on the ticket. Turn it on. By default, many platforms suggest a normal stop loss, which stays fixed at a specific price. For this trade, switch it to trailing stop. A trailing stop is dynamic. It moves with the market when the price goes in your favor, but it freezes if the price turns against you. For a buy trade, it trails below the market price. For a sell trade, it trails above. This way, you can lock in gains as the trend develops while still having a clear exit if momentum reverses. Now set the trailing distance. Enter the distance for the trailing stop, either in price terms or in points, depending on what the ticket shows for that instrument. The distance is how far away from the current market price your stop will sit and trail. A smaller distance keeps the stop tighter, which can lock in profits sooner but risks being triggered by normal volatility. A larger distance gives the trade more room to breathe but locks in profits more slowly. As a quick guide, choose a distance that respects the typical daily swings of your asset and the time frame you're trading. The ticket will update to show where the stop initially sits relative to the current price, so take a moment to sanity check it. When everything looks right, confirm the order. Your position opens with the trailing stop attached, and from here, the platform manages the stop automatically. As price moves in your favor, the stop ratchets along. If price snaps back by the trailing distance, the stop is hit and your position closes. That's all there is to it. Open the trade, enable stop loss, and select trailing stop, set a sensible trailing distance, and confirm.